Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850W. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is a budget-friendly option, offering 700W of continuous power with 80+ white certification, making it suitable for everyday use. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850W stands out with its 80+ gold efficiency and full modular design, catering to more demanding systems. We'll break down their features, pros and cons, and help you determine which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to wattage, the Thermaltake Smart 700W provides a solid 700 watts of continuous power, which is adequate for most mid-range systems. However, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850W offers a higher capacity of 850 watts, making it a better choice for high-performance builds, especially those that require more power for demanding components like high-end GPUs. Efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The Thermaltake Smart 700W holds an 80+ white certification, which indicates decent efficiency, but not the best in its class. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850W boasts an 80+ gold certification, ensuring higher efficiency and lower energy consumption, which can lead to savings on your electricity bill over time. Modularity plays a significant role in cable management and airflow within your PC case. The Thermaltake Smart 700W features a non-modular design, which means all cables are permanently attached, potentially leading to clutter. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850W is fully modular, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, resulting in a cleaner build and improved airflow. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart 700W and Cooler Master MWE Gold 850W have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake is a budget-friendly option for basic setups, while the Cooler Master offers superior efficiency, modularity, and power capacity for high-performance systems. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.